Ha! You'll never catch me, and I've got all your dinosaurs. So long.
The Dino Master is back!
He's back!
He's taking all of our dinosaurs!
That's terrible!
He wants to turn them into virtual video game characters.
We gotta get you back to Dino HQ, and we'll get you all bandaged up, and we'll make a plan, okay?
Yeah, he has a new mask and everything.
All right. Hey, look, Park Ranger B. We're back to Dino HQ. Okay, we're gonna go inside. Yeah, land ho. We're gonna go inside and get a splint on your leg there, okay? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna hurry up. Get the Dino Master. Get our dinosaurs back. Yeah, there we go. Going in there. Okay. Whew. All right. Okay, Park Ranger B. All right, here we are. Back at Dino HQ. Oh yeah, don't fall down there. Here you go. There you go. Here you go. Here you go. Okay. All right. We gotta get a splint on your leg there.
Splint?
Yeah, a splint. It's like a stick that you attach to your leg, and it gives you added strength when your leg is injured. Kind of like, hey, like this baseball bat right here, okay? That'll make us. It's a bit of a weird splint, but it'll work,
Here,
okay?
I need it.
Here, let's go over here to the table.
It's not working.
Yeah, no. That's because we gotta attach it. Like, oh, here we go. Here, just hold on to the table there. All right, here we go. Right here. All right. There's one. And again, here's the second one. There, now you got it. Okay, here. Now have a seat right here, okay? All right, there you go. Okay, and then prop your splinted leg right up there, okay? All right, I'm gonna go take on the Dino Master, so I'm gonna need to gear up in some of my new spy gear, all right?
Okay.
I got it here in the other room. I'll be right back.
Over there.
All right, Park Ranger OB, I'm all ready to go track down the Dino Master, huh?
Yeah. What's up with that getup, you know?
Oh, this is my new spy gear outfit that I got here, you know? All black and everything. So I'll blend into the forest. The Dino Master will never know that I'm there, so I sneak up on him, huh?
Hey, you look like one of those guys in Men in Black.
Yeah, I guess I do.
Yeah.
Oh, well, hey, you know what the coolest part of this is?
What?
This little button right here activates the camera on my glasses. You can monitor here in Dino HQ, okay?
That's awesome.
Okay, will you keep an eye on the Dino Master and the feed I'm sending you? And have fun, all right?
Okay.
Don't have fun. Just keep an eye on us, okay? I'm gonna go find the Dino Master.
bye.
Okay, bye.
Time to watch the movie.
Okay, Dino Master. No, you're out here. Where are you? Come on out. No, you're out here somewhere.
Man, this is better than the movies. Oh, where's he gonna go now?
You watching all this, Park Ranger OB? It's entertaining, huh? You up there? Yeah. Where is the Dino Master? Come on out. What? You chicken? Walk. Come on, Dino Master. Yeah, I'm gonna get you. Oh, hey. Big old fresh pile of mud. Oh, cool. Hey, you know what? This'll be great as camouflage.
What are you doing? What you doing by that pile?
Dino Master's never gonna see me with this mud here. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's the good stuff right there, huh?
What? Oh, no.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, here we go. All right. There we go. Oh, yeah, that's good stuff right there.
Now I know not to give him a high five later on. I better call him. Come in, Park Ranger Aaron.
Oh, man, what's Park Ranger OB now want, huh? Yeah, go ahead, Park Ranger OB. You watching all this on candid camera here, huh?
What are you doing?
What do you mean what I'm doing? I'm just putting some of this mud on my face to make camouflage so the Dino Master will never see me in this stuff, huh?
That's not mud.
It's not mud. Oh, no. Oh, I gotta go get cleaned up, get this off. Ooh, yeah, this'll work. That wasn't enough. Wait, oh, there we go. It wasn't on. Oh, here we go.
Oh, he's spraying so cold, man.
Okay, I'm gonna go find the Dino Master now. Oh Oh man. Oh boy. I think I got it all off finally there. Ugh. Ooh.
No! Dino Master's zapping more dinosaurs! Oh man. Come in, Park Ranger Aaron.
Oh, Park Ranger OB's calling. Yeah, go ahead, Park Ranger OB.
You gotta hurry up. The Dino Master's back and he's zapping more dinosaurs.
Yeah, I know I gotta hurry, man. I had a little incident there and I had to take care of it, okay? I'm gonna go get the Dino Master and I'll get our dinosaurs back. You just hang out there in Dino HQ and monitor everything, okay? Don't go anywhere.
You gotta hurry up, okay?
Oh, ooh, that's kinda, yeah, get that off there, okay. Okay, Dino Master. Now you made me cross. You made me put that on my face. All right, I'm coming to get you now. You better be ready, I'm getting you. Maybe mess up my sleepy dart blaster, so you're in deep trouble. Don't mess with Park Ranger Aaron, okay? Oh, hey, what's that? Oh, wow. Looks like some sort of a green trash bag or something. Let's check this out here, huh? Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's not a trash bag. Nah, that's not a trash bag at all. That's a poncho.
Yeah, that has to be the Dino Master's green poncho.
Come in, Park Ranger OB.
Oh yeah, go ahead, Park Ranger Aaron.
Yeah, I found this green poncho out here for some reason on the trail. What's that all about?
Yeah, that's the Dino Master's green poncho I saw earlier when he was making his getaway.
Oh, cool. That means I'm right hot on his tail. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go get him now. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, let's just put this down here. Okay. All right, Dino Master. Now I got you. All right, Dino Master. I'm gonna get you with my blaster. Where? Oh, hey, that rhymes. Dino Master and blaster. That's pretty clever. Ooh, what was that? Hey, that sounds like the ATV. It's nearby. It's that way. I'm coming, Dino Master. I hear you now. Dead end. Which way? This way. He must be this way. I don't hear the ATV anymore. Oh man, I lost it. Oh, wait a minute. What's that right there? Some sort of case. It's the Dino Master's case. It says Dino Master. The Dino Master's right over there at the paddock fence. I'm gonna get him. Ooh, be quiet though. I don't want him to know because I better try to get our dinosaurs back first. Okay. Shh, you stay over there, Dino Master. See what's in your case. I got your case. I'm gonna get you. It's the Dino Zapper. I got the Dino Zapper. You're gonna get it now, Dino Master. First, I'm getting our dinosaurs back. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, come to Papa, dinosaurs. The dinosaur came back. Woohoo! It worked. Okay, we gotta bring some others back. I know. I got one more. I wonder how many are left in here. Here's one more. Ooh, over here. I got them all back. Ooh, the Dino Master sees me. Okay, Dino Master, your turn now. I'm gonna zap you. I got all them back. You ready for some of this now?
I'm going to get you.
He's got his own spare zapper.
I'll be back.
He just disappeared himself. Oh, that guy always gets away. I can see what he did to the fence. I think these lasers are off. Maybe I can reactivate them. Oh yeah, that one's definitely off. Okay, let's see if I can reactivate this one. Maybe I can still fix it. Oh, man. That was quite a jolt right there. Oh, there's my hat. Hey, it blew my hat off. Oh man, I gotta tell Park Ranger LB I lost the Dino Master. Come in, Park Ranger LB.
Yeah, go ahead, Park Ranger Aaron.
Yeah, I lost the Dino Master again.
Oh man, not again.
Yeah, and not only did the Dino Master get away, but he took out the paddock laser fences with him, so the whole system's down. It's gonna take me months to get it fixed.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna beat the Dino Master, because we're gonna find a new piece of land for the dinosaurs far, far away from here, and we're gonna move them there. The Dino